Seeing people.
Aww. Oh my gosh. They've been coming.
Yeah, they love it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, girls.
So we cannot go beside them.
Well, you can come out. You can come out.
I
with me.
wanna come
They're not
out.
aggressive.
They're not aggressive, eh?
No, they'll be curious. They may try to lick you.
Yeah, this one. This one, you just. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Hi. Oh my goodness. They're so beautiful. They're not aggressive, right? Hi. Oh my. Hi.
Hey, girl.
Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. Hi. Where's the one I can? Hi. Oh my gosh. Like they wonder. Too bad it's so kind of dark.
I know.
Oh my god, there's so many. Hi. Hi. Hi, I want to say hi, each of you.
There's one that's really friendly that loves it when you scratch her. The rest kind of don't.
Oh my gosh. Aw, they're so cute. They're so big.
We got babies over here.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come back here next time.
Absolutely.
Like in the
We got the little babies.
where's the babies? Aww. Oh my gosh, I can't see it. It's too dark now. There you go. I have lights for them. Hi. And they're just... Aww. They're not hungry now. No.
You want to see this one? He's at the farm. Yeah. He's retired.
Farm. So, I was just enjoying with them. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful.
Okay, girls, get out of the way.
There's on their way. Bye for now.
Do you mind?
Huh?
Do you mind if I vape? I did.
No, it's fine. You go ahead. Don't worry. Yeah. Look at them. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're gonna have to drive fast, so I can get the game. We're gonna run out of bus. So it's gonna be really bumpy here for a
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You're just running.
second.